Good morning everyone. Since it's my birthday today, so I'll go to the church here where I live. So yeah, this is our place here in the mountain. And here I have candle here. Ay, salamat. This is our covered court. Basketball court, yes. And here, this is our church here where I live. Yeah, this one here. That one. Yes. That's our church here. This one.